Hi YouTubers, here's an update on the research we're doing with the undergrads. I use the ZKE Tech battery tester electronic load. Many YouTubers use this, many colleges, universities, and we're using the EBC-A10H model. There's also 20, let me show you, the 20H. Please note, if you're going to pick one up, they're on Amazon. Get the A10H, which allows you to do cycles. I can do up to 999 cycles with rechargeable secondary batteries. But that's not the point of the video. It's just to show you ZKE Tech. And the software is EB Tester software. I'll post a link to find it. You have to go searching for it, but the tutorial that goes with it when you download it is excellent. I've used this for a long time, and of course, we're doing water electrolysis testing, nickel-plated electrodes, graphite felt with nickel plate. We're also going to do nickel-cobalt alloys, and we can follow the voltage and current output. And the way we do this with the undergrads to get started, we have access to scanning electron microscope, so we're able to get images of our test electrodes before and after runs. Here's a simple little water electrolyzer, nothing fancy. It is a mason or ball jar, and I have in there 2 gas trap tubes commonly used in the organic lab, containing drying agents or to keep moisture out, and they're very convenient. I have other videos showing you these in detail. Right now I am electrolyzing and separating the gases, and this is being run at just about 4.7 volts. I am using, actually, instead of a power supply for undergrads, I'm using an AC/DC with a 5-volt output and probably 1.5 amps. I'll have to measure it. That's not the point of the video. It's to show you can make a makeshift. And in there is the graphite felt, and these have just a little bit of nickel plated on the surface. And I use in a craft store, in, for example, Walmart, you can get these little metal clasps. And I clasp the graphite felt as a current collector, and or to, in the case of electrolysis, complete the circuit. I'm in 20% KOH electrolyte, and I'm not collecting the gases yet, but I will. And for our purposes in testing how well the nickel or cobalt plated graphite felt holds up, we use these simple little, very inexpensive, I've seen them on Amazon for $20 postpaid in the United States. Make sure, if you're going to do this type of experiment, you run the gases. You'll have to adapt it to a thinner diameter tube here, which is not a problem. And the humid gases, that's a good thing. It'll keep the polyelectrolyte proton exchange membrane, PEM, the Nafion in there functional. So we'll pass the humid gases right through, and then that in turn will be hooked up to the voltage current output, so we can follow the production of current as we electrolyze water. And our purpose is to have a simple bench type approach to testing out the graphite felt. We'll also be polymerizing polypyridine. We'll actually produce polypyridine semiconductor on graphite. And then we can examine the scanning electron microscopic images while the electrodes are maturing, and see if they're holding up on a small scale. Just a brief update on where we're at. Now, when we get the hydrogen fuel cell set up over there and we're collecting data, we'll do a more complete video. But what did I do here with the jar? I epoxied a glass candle holder. It's very convenient for moving this around. And I have another device that I've created that can electrolyze the water. Very simple. And I'll be showing you that in subsequent videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.